Some big rotation shots would be absolutely lovely.
We're gonna get some establishing shots. Hopefully, 5 minutes. The sun's gonna come up. It's gonna look.
Watch out for the ice.
Your angle will work over there, by the way. It'll look really quite nice from the little test shots.
Assuming we get a 2-minute window where we can actually get the shot. That's almost the exact shot I want.
Yeah, I know. So I just figured I'd do some little tests for it.
Oh, fuck me, that's going to work so well.
But that's right up against the curb, so...
Yeah.
If I could line the castle up like there, so when the sun comes up, we'll do like a pull up when the sun comes up. Slowly pan the camera up to reveal the castle. Boss man said it's good. We're good.
All good?
I've never been more proud to be British.
I mean, it sounded absolutely amazing. I mean, obviously we will get sound later on where we're sort of tracking along with you. So
that makes sense then, doesn't it? So.
I mean, you look like you're enjoying that.
It was, yeah. It's certainly as quick as I've been, isn't it? That's for sure.
Woo! Right.
Yeah.
Go. Go, go, go. So I'm just going to jump back in and then I'll move it around until you are happy with the framing.
Sure.
Right, you want to zoom out?
Oh, that's much better.
BTS of the BTS.
Fix it in post.
Yeah, mate.
It sounds so good.
Safety is key.
I have fat titties and I don't fit.
first shot, and so it'll be a push in here, push in, pull back, some details around the wheels, calipers.
Oh, he's back out the way now. Go do something. Forward, backwards, let's do it.
Just keep it nice. I feel a bit awkward. Do you mind if I give it a heavy rev?
No, it's fine. As long as it's not over like 7.5, it'll be right.
Alright, okay. You just need to just do it and work your own sort of way through it, basically.
Satellites. I want to see satellites.
Are we all working?
Yeah.
We rigged the mount on the front of the car, ready to get some rear shots of the car, and then that should be a wrap.
Okay, on three. 1, 2, 3. And back again. And one more. Beautiful. Come back in.
Mate, how close was he to you?
Very. What a shot to end with. That's definitely the end shot now. That was.